Okay, guys, so I'm currently experiencing some very high winds right now. Oh my god. I'm currently experiencing some high winds right now. This is crazy. Am I in a tornado? Oh my goodness. That had to have been closer to blowing up to 50 miles an hour. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, here it comes again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was crazy, guys. We got ourselves a strong wind intercept. Holy cow. Woo! And it's also really cold outside. Ooh, sorry, I'm shaky. I'm cold. Wow, that strong wind just came out of nowhere. Oh my gosh.